What's up guys, Jeremy Mateo here, and we're back with another home tour video. But this isn't just any home tour video. It's special because I just sold this home. My client purchased it for $3.5 million and I'm super stoked for him. We're actually here in Hawaii Loa Ridge, one of the most prestigious gated neighborhoods on Oahu. We are located at 141 Kaulana Way. This home is 3,700 square feet. It's 4 bedrooms and 4.5 baths. Let's go check it out. All right guys, so first let me show you guys the front, especially this front door. This is sick. When it comes to ultra luxury homes, you gotta have a nice grand entrance. So look at this door. This is insane. That's pretty crazy. So when you walk in, you have your foyer, you got a nice area to take off your shoes and all that. And right at the entrance, right here, you have your first half bath, or the powder room. Sorry, my nose was itchy.
Tight, yeah! Yeah, boy.
But anyway, great for the guests to use without using any of the bathrooms in the rooms. And then right here, the primary bedroom, which is super, super nice. So right when you walk in, this place is huge. Like you can fit a king bed here and you can fit a whole couch and I don't know what else you would put here. What do you call this area? Like is this like a lobby for your master bedroom? I don't know. But really nice and spacious. Look how big this closet is, guys. You have a nice vanity, put your makeup on, but you can do all of that. You have this closets right here. Nice customized closet space. You could even put like a jewelry box right here, but this whole closet is basically like another room. Like it's that big. And then this primary bathroom, this is insane. Look at this. So you have your sit-in tub, which is super cool. I love the finishes of this bathroom. I love the color. You have the shower. So awesome. You have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 different shower heads for the shower. Super cool. And then you have nice LED lights here. You can shower in the dark, Who knows what you could do? And then of course, oh, you saw that? Was that on camera? Dude, this bidet, this opened by itself. It's sensored motorized toilet, pretty cool. And then, I don't know if you saw, but in all the bathrooms, it has this light, which you can hook up your phone to it via Bluetooth and play some music. Super cool. And then you have, of course, these dual sinks, vanity, really nice. And you're gonna see in all of the bathrooms, all the cabinets, they're floating with LED lights on the bottom. I think that's the nicest feature, just a small feature that makes it go wow, makes it pop. Cool. And also look at the balcony here in the primary bedroom. Super sick. You have enough space to just enjoy the breeze and enjoy your view. So nice. My client, he's a business owner and he's worked his ass off his whole entire life. And I'm just super, proud of him. Dude, he can just chill here, relax, enjoy the nice view, enjoy your home, and just think about all the hard work you put in to be able to afford this home. Let's check out the rest of the home. And then right here, you have your garage, 2-car garage, which is really awesome. You have a lot of space to fit 2 vehicles here, 2 oversized vehicles. And if you guys saw in the front, you have space in the driveway to put 2 more vehicles. If you come around here, we have the first level. This is a dining area over here. And of course you have your kitchen with your island. The seller did a really nice job of all the finishes and all the remodel. When my client saw it, he really liked it and was really impressed by everything. And for me, as a real estate investor that flips houses, I was pretty impressed and blown away with all the finishes as well. Pretty cool. So you have a little, hideaway, a little maybe porch area where you can just chill, enjoy the outdoors. have a little grassy area. And then out here is the driveway, which we just came out from. Now let's check out the living room. So you come down here to the second level. This is basically your living area. You have another dining area too. And you have a nice little wet bar right here, which is pretty cool. And a wine fridge, which you could put, you know, drinks, wine, of course, entertain your guests. My client, he's definitely gonna be entertaining a lot of guests here, but pretty cool touch. And then over here, you have the living room, the main living room. I love this entertainment area. It's so badass. If you guys watch my previous videos, I have a fireplace in my condo, and I thought this was so awesome. Really big fireplace. You have the shelves just to put some decorations. And what's cool is around this floating entertainment center are LED lights, which I think is a really nice touch. You can turn that on. Pretty cool, pretty cool, pretty cool. The thing with Hawaii Loa Ridge, it is such a really prestigious neighborhood. Like this neighborhood, you have anywhere from homes starting at 3 million all the way up to like 25 million plus. This is honestly my dream neighborhood. I love Hawaii Loa Ridge. It's a gated community, super safe. You have so many nice, beautiful homes, and I'm gonna show you guys the balcony in a second, but depending on where the home is, you can have a nice ocean view, and it's just super spectacular. Let's go check it out. All right, so here you have the second level balcony. This is super huge. Like you have so much space over here. And if you can look out here, you have such a nice ocean view. We're so up on the hill right here on the ridge, and you can see like the earth kind of curving. I'm just kidding, you can't see the earth, but it's a nice view, you know? And you can see Coco Head, you can see Coco Head hiking trail, you can see all of Portlock. It's super nice. It's very peaceful here, very quiet. You can hear the birds chirping. Yeah. You can't hear that, but yeah. Hey guys, really quick, if you're getting some value out of this video, please do me a favor and like and subscribe if you haven't already. I'm really trying to grow my channel, and if you like and subscribe, or even better yet, share this video with someone else or a friend, it really helps my channel grow, and I'm really trying to grow this channel. So thank you guys. All right, back to the video. So you got the first level, you got the second level, you got the third level right here. So on the third level, you have 3 bedrooms here and 2 bathrooms. Let's check it out. Oh, I accidentally forgot to turn this on. So if you look over here real quick, a nice touch, the seller added LED lights. Now imagine this home at nighttime when a lot of the lights are off and then this is on. That would look super sick. So on this side of the home, you have a normal sized bedroom on the side of the home, and then right next to it is a full bathroom. And as you can see, really nice finishes. Love the luxury modern designs. And then we'll go across the hallway. Right here you have your laundry room, washer, dryer, cabinets for storage. Pretty cool. These are nice high-end washer dryers. And then over here, you have 2 bedrooms. This bedroom right here, another normal size bedroom, standard size closet. And then right next to it is another bedroom, but this is like another ensuite because it has its own bathroom, which is super cool. As you can see here, you have a larger than normal size bedroom. You have nice accent lights over here. Amazing killer view as well. And then a view of the pool that we're gonna see in a second. And then let me show you the bathroom over here. Pretty cool when you have your bedroom and you have your own bathroom. Nice shower. This is so awesome. And I love how all the cabinets, all of these in the bathrooms, they're all like floating and they have LED lights underneath it. I think that's like super badass. Closet, another closet over there. Now let's go to the 4th level. The 4th level is the party area where you have the pool, the bar. This is my favorite place of the house. This is the entertaining area. It is super sick. You have your own cabinets, bar here. You can have a dining area here, or maybe put like a table here, and this could be literally the bar area for all the parties. You have a nice storage closet there, and then over here, just another living room basically. You could put a big TV right here, watch the game, watch fights, watch movies, and you could do so much entertaining in this area. It's so cool. And then over here, it's kind of like a nook area. I don't know what this would be. Maybe a little exercise area, or maybe you could put a table here, put some DJs, you know, host a party, make it badass. And then of course you have another bathroom right here, full bath. So you have full baths on every level. This level, 1, 2 upstairs, and then another one, that's 4. Yeah, that's 4. Let me show you guys the pool. Pretty sick. I love these huge sliding or accordion sliders. I don't know what it's called, but they're so smooth and effortless to pull and push. It's really nice. This pool is super sick. It's a little dirty now because it's been on the, well, actually it's not on the market. This has been off market, but the sellers are gonna clean it. But there's so much balcony space here, high ceilings, you have lights here. So if you're swimming at night, having like night swims, this area is gonna look so nice. And then of course you have another wet bar right there. You could put lawn chairs, a cabana, and then of course you have the nice view, which is so awesome. Barbecue, places to cook, grill. So this house pretty much has 4 levels. There's another level down here, which is just all grass. You could do so much more with that as well, or just make it all grass and have pets and walk around. But here, check it out. So yeah, again, I helped my client purchase this home. It was really awesome. This was an off-market unit, as I mentioned before. My client, he wanted to buy a really nice big home to entertain and have fun, and of course, a place to call his own. We're under contract for another property for a little less, but there was too many problems about it, and I heard about this home through word of mouth with other realtors and real estate investors that I know. And so I took my client to see this home and he loved it. And I was super excited because he wanted to offer on it. And I think for 3.5 million, I think this is a really good deal, being that it's 3,700 square feet and it's in Hawaii Loa Ridge. Again, one of the most, if not the most prestigious neighborhood on Oahu. It's gated community, super safe, and just everyone in here, like just driving up here, it's so quiet, so peaceful. And to be honest, I think if this home were to hit the market, I think it would sell for like 3.6, maybe even 3.7. So really excited and stoked for my client. He purchased this home and can't wait to see what he does with it and all the crazy parties he's gonna have.
What up, my lovely females? This is your boy Costa, your host for the evening. Behind me is Thomas Cub's house. Today is Thomas Cub's birthday, and this is Project X, yo.
So if you're interested in homes like this or anything else in Oahu, or you wanna do deals with me or maybe do a flip with me, feel free to send me an email at info@jeremymateo.com. I've helped so many clients buy, sell. I've helped myself buy and sell here in Oahu. So if you're looking to collaborate or you wanna work with me, feel free to shoot me an email. But if you made it this far and you're still watching, thank you so much. I really appreciate it. If you haven't yet, like and subscribe to this video. It really helps my channel grow. And I'll see you on the next video. Peace out.